Good afternoon, this is Delis Alexander. Today I will be discussing ambiguous grammar. Now, I said that a grammar is ambiguous if there exist two or more derivations, whether it be leftmost derivation or rightmost derivation, but not simultaneously. Um, so, in this example here, I provide a word W that exists in the language of grammar G. And so I've defined these rules for this grammar that will demonstrate ambiguity, because a variable S, A, and B, our start symbol S, and our variables A and B define our grammar rules. And using these rules, we have reconstructed two derivations to prove that our grammar is ambiguous. And so for this first derivation here, we use AAC, and of course our variable A we take and we derive ABC, and thus our variable B we derive BB, and of course because of recursion we can reuse this again, BB, and then terminate. So we see there's a way to reconstruct our original string using this method. We also see here that there exists another method if we follow the same path. AAC, A, we replace A with ABC, but in the next iteration we see here that we replace B with BBA, and finally we terminate A, and thus producing our string again. And because now we have two derivations here, we can see that the parse tree representing the sentinel form for each derivation also shows us that we do have two methods of reconstructing this tree, which makes our grammar ambiguous, and in which case we would have to figure out a way to tighten our rules so that we can make our grammar unambiguous. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you understood this discussion.